as solar LED lamp. You are seeing here, this one is called as photovoltaic cell. Okay, photovoltaic cell. You can check this, and under this one we have connection, okay, which is directly connected to the LED lamps, and in between the PV cell and the LED lamps we have one device called as storage battery. Okay, so throughout this PV cell, whenever the solar energy is passing, which is creating voltage, and it is being be stored in of battery, okay, in this particular battery inside of it. So I would like to show you. We need to handle it carefully. You can see this is the battery, and we have the connections at the back side. Okay, at the back side we have. So whenever the energy is passing through this PV cell, photovoltaic cell, because of photovoltaic action, we are getting energy.